muna dathimagwana kilo iria ari nacio. Like His Excellency Honorable Kagame. How many kgs do you think Kagame have? Si mtu muheju muraihu. Si ni kweli? How many kgs would you think Obama had? A few kgs with a little IBM, that's what we call body index. Body mass index, How many kgs do we have Uhuru Kenyatta when he was coming to the presidency? Sometimes nyobere awakaga we kuri awi karagara mena mesiao nyobeo nene na gukira no no wakire adamena gari akunene gukira no no amegurire. So just a little person can control the world. In the nation, African nations called Burkina Faso. If you read about Burkina Faso, we have a president new, and I told Ibrahim or something, or I thought Traoré, a young army officer, Ibrahim Traoré, but he's a very young guy. I think na naelekea kusia jeshi first time na dagethera yena na moko kuna kujita goody iyo ile security ile shaje sisi imeshuma na rathire mushamano wa president aragaithio na moko oguo goody no gwakinyirira Putin araruta aragaithio na Putin tu aracoka aracokia. A young man who knows where he's going. Do you hear me? Some calculations are done by the things that push you. Ukigati tekuo muto he mathafu ekaga kuyora kanira ithi muno tondu muko wa borido rigoro dawa ya nyejeti rigoro. You can kill yourself anytime you want, but before you do so, look back. Orora ni ciana cigana ugutika nyeciari igana magwetere imamu wanyu bafanyira mathainiro na fathainiro aria mehona aria magoka. Orore gitiki uikaragira kanitha, orore wira hari orutaga. Or consider the problem that can cause suicide, or compare the responsibilities. Now we go for voting. If responsibilities have more weight, decide to leave and decide to declare something. If we are there,